Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to resolve the issue where assets imported into Unity appear in pink. Today we'll be using this blog post to walk you through the steps. We have pressed the URL to the article in the description below, so please feel free to refer to it if you prefer reading the text. Now let's go through the process together. As you can see here, there are times when imported assets show up in bright pink. This is relatively common occurrence, and we will explain how to address it. First, we need to open the rendering settings. Go to the top menu, click on Window, navigate to Rendering, and then select Render Pipeline Converter. Next, we will select the converter and specify the materials. Please make sure that building to URP is selected. Once confirmed, check the box next to material upgrade. Now we will run the initialization. Click on the initialize and convert button located at the bottom right of the converter window. A dialog box will appear. Click on Save and Continue to proceed. Finally, click the Convert Assets button. And that is it. As you can see, the proper materials are now applied, and the object is displayed with its original colors. This is one way to resolve the pink material issue after importing assets into Unity. As mentioned at the beginning, the link to the blog post is available in the description if you would like to review the steps in written form. At Sparkle and we share various articles and videos regarding troubleshooting, app development, and other helpful tips. If you find this content useful, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.